Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alrighty, so last week I had drawn Comfy Outback, and I commented he hadn't really been uploading anything, but then he started uploading. He uploaded something last Friday, so I'm not going to deny the man a shout out because of that, so I have to come back now and say, well, Comfy Outback is this week's channel shout out. So, no need to draw.
Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So, all their information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.